In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Death Note in Jujutsu Shenanigans and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option to use the Death Note in Jujutsu Shenanigans. As you might be aware, a lot of experiences in Roblox actually have a Death Note, meaning that you are able to hold the Death Note, open chat, and then type out the name of any player or even a dummy to kill them instantly. But as you can clearly see here, it doesn't work for me. So, is there actually a Death Note in Jujutsu Shenanigans? Is it something that you have to unlock through a secret, an Easter egg, or is it completely impossible? Well, if you try to browse through all of the options here, and even if you have something like Private Server Plus, or you browse through all of the game passes and you purchase all of them, regardless of what you do, what you will notice is that you will not be able to unlock the Death Note. So basically, to answer the question inside of this video, while you can kill other players instantly, and I'm gonna teach you how to do that, you will not be able to actually get a physical Death Note. So I just wanted to make that very clear. According to my research and everywhere that I looked, you aren't able to actually get a Death Note like other experiences. If you just want to kill other players instantly and pretend that you have a Death Note, just click on the plus sign here, go over to players, and then you can click kill next to any player. Of course, you need to be in a private server and you need to be the owner, and as long as you do this, they will die instantly. Now, of course, I know this isn't the same thing as a Death Note. A Death Note, you would be able to write their names in chat and kill them, but as it stands today, because I searched everywhere, I couldn't find any actual evidence of getting a Death Note. I believe that it is impossible. If you know of a method, please let me know in the comments below. But the purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that while the Death Note is not actually inside of Jujutsu Shenanigans, according to all the research that I've done, you can still kill other players instantly by clicking on the plus sign, players, selecting them here, and then clicking kill. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had. If this video helped you on how to use the Death Note in Jujutsu Shenanigans, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.